Welcome to DF Education Portal. So in this class we will discuss the revision of this nomenclatures. So we can get into the questions. Okay. So how can we number this particular hydrocarbon? We want to give lesser number for this unsaturated having carbon atom, right? So we can number it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So the number of carbon atom at this long chain is 7. So what will be the word root? Hept, right? Method, propbute, pent, hex, hept. Okay. And then we want to put a hyphen, then the position of this particular unsaturation. But unsaturation is at the second carbon atom. So second, 2. Then we want to put again hyphen, then the suffix will be ene because unsaturation is double bond. So the suffix is ene. Hept to ene is the IUPAC name for this particular hydrocarbon. And when we are getting into the second question, we want to give lesser number for this unsaturation. So when we are numbering from left to right side, it will get third position, right? And when we are numbering from right to left side, we will get second, right? So we can choose this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the word root will be according to the number of carbon atom, that is 5 carbon atoms. So that means meth, eth, propbute, pent. Okay. So pent is the word root, then we are putting a hyphen, then the position of unsaturation. That is at the second position. So 2. Then we are putting a hyphen again, and the suffix will be according to the number of unsaturation. That means which unsaturation is present. So here the unsaturation is triple bond. So the suffix will be YNE. Okay. Pent to YNE is the IUPAC name for this particular hydrocarbon. And when we are getting into this particular hydrocarbon, we want to get, in case of branch having alkanes, we want to get lesser number for this branch attached carbon atom. So how can we give the numbering? 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and this will be the branch. Okay. So in case of alkanes with single branch, how can we write the IUPAC name? So at first we want to write the position of carbon atom at which this particular branch is attached. So the position is 2. So we are writing it like this, 2. Then we are putting a hyphen. Then we want to write the name of this particular branch. So the branch having only single carbon atom, and the formula is like CH3. So what will be the name of this particular alkyl group? For one carbon atom having alkyl group, the name will be methyl, right? So we can write methyl, 2-methyl. Then we want to write the name of this long chain having hydrocarbon. So the long chain is having 4 carbon atoms. So what will be the word root? Bute, right? Bute. Then we want to write the suffix. Suffix will be according to the unsaturation. There is single bond present within this hydrocarbon. So what will be the suffix? Ane, right? So the IUPAC name for this particular hydrocarbon is 2-methyl butane, like that. Okay. And in case of fourth one, how can we give the numbering? How can we choose the long chain having hydrocarbon? When we are taking like this, we are having 2 branches at the same position, right? When we are taking like this one also, we are having 2 branches at the same carbon atom, and there is no difference in the long chain. So we can choose this one as the long chain, and we want to get lesser number for this branch having carbon atom, right? So how can we choose the numbering method? We want to select whether it can be from left to right or right to left side. So when we are numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So at the third position we are having branch, right? So when we are numbering from right to left side, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, we can count, right? So the position will be at the second. So we can choose this numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. And the branches are present at the second carbon atom. Okay. So how can we give the name? The position of carbon atom at which this branches are attached is 2, right? 2. And there is 2 branches are present at the same carbon atom. So we want to put 2, 2 like that. and then we are writing a hyphen, and there is two branches are present, and these two branches are similar, that is CH3 groups. Two CH3 groups are present at the same carbon atom. So how can we write dimethyl like that? Okay, dimethyl. The name of branch is alkyl group. Which alkyl group is present over here in branch? CH3, right? That means one carbon atom is present. So alkyl group name is methyl. Okay, 2,2-dimethyl. Then we want to write the word root. What is the word root? We want to select the long chain having carbon atom. So long chain is having 4 carbon atoms. So bute. 2,2-dimethyl bute, and the suffix is ane because only single bond is present. 2,2-dimethyl butane. This is the IUPAC naming nomenclature for this particular hydrocarbon. So we already discussed about the nomenclature of alkanes, nomenclature of alkanes with single branch, nomenclature of alkanes with more than one branch, nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons such as alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so that's all about